Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, January 20, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am okay, but I am very tired.
I understand. I need coffee right now. This machine is my best friend.
It is my best friend, too. Is the coffee good today?
It is okay. It is hot and black. That is all I need.
I need milk in mine. I have a long day ahead. I have 3 meetings this morning.
3 meetings? That is terrible. I only have 1 meeting with a client.
You are lucky. My project is very busy right now. Everyone wants results.
Sales are good this month, so I am happy. But I saw something interesting on my phone this morning.
Oh, really? What did you see? Is it good news?
I am not sure. It is about money and travel. Did you read the Boston Globe this week?
No, I did not read it yet. I was too busy with my emails. What does it say?
There is an article from January 19th, 2026. It talks about a new tax.
A new tax? I do not like taxes. What is it for?
It is called the $1,000 travel tax. It is very controversial.
$1,000? That is a lot of money. Who has to pay it?
The article says that for every international flight, you must pay $1,000 extra.
Wow, that is very expensive. Is it for everyone?
Yes, for everyone. The government wants to stop people from flying too much.
I see. It is for the environment, right? To help the planet.
Yes, exactly. They say planes are bad for the air, but $1,000 is too much.
It is a high price. But maybe it is necessary. The climate is changing fast.
But Alex, I work in sales. I need to fly to see my clients. My company will not be happy.
That is a good point. Business travel will be very difficult. Maybe you can use video calls?
Video calls are boring. I like to shake hands. This tax is bad for business.
It is a big change. The article says it starts next year?
Yes, in 2027. So we have 1 year to travel cheaply. I need a vacation before that.
Me too. I want to go to Italy, but with a $1,000 tax, maybe I will stay home.
See, it is sad. I think people will be very angry about this news.
I agree. It changes how we live. But speaking of changes, did you see the news about schools?
No, is it about the 4-day week? I know we cannot talk about that.
No, this is different. It is about technology. I read it in the New York Times yesterday.
Yesterday, that was January 20. What is the headline?
The headline is The AI Teacher. It is happening in a university in Texas.
The AI teacher? You mean a robot?
Not a robot walking around. It is a hologram on a screen. An artificial intelligence program.
That sounds like a science fiction movie. What does the AI do?
The article says the university replaced 50% of their professors with this AI.
50%? That is half of the teachers. That is crazy.
Yes. The university says the AI is cheaper and it knows everything.
But a computer cannot care about students. A computer does not have feelings.
That is what the students say. They are protesting. They want human teachers.
I agree with the students. Imagine if my boss was a computer.
Well, the AI never gets tired. It can answer questions 24 hours a day.
That is true, but it is cold. School is about people, not just facts.
The article says the tuition fee is now 30% lower because of this.
Oh, that is interesting. College is very expensive. Maybe parents like the lower price.
Exactly. It is a difficult choice. Save money or have human connection?
I prefer humans. I like talking to you at the coffee machine, not a robot.
Thank you, David. I prefer talking to you too, even if you talk a lot.
Hey, I'm a sales guy. Talking is my job. But this news is scary for jobs.
It is. First teachers. Then maybe project managers like me.
Or sales representatives like me. Maybe an AI can sell products better.
Let's not think about that. It makes me nervous. Do you have a lighter story?
Yes, I do. I saw something funny on CNN. It is from Sunday, January 18.
Okay, tell me. I need something funny after the travel tax and the robots.
It is about tourists. The headline is the no selfie zones.
No selfie zones. What does that mean?
It means you cannot take a photo of yourself in specific places.
Really? Where are these places?
The article mentions big cities like Paris and New York, in the city center.
Why? Do they hate photos?
No, it is because of the crowds. People stop to take photos and block the street.
Oh, I understand that. It is annoying when people block the sidewalk.
The police can give you a fine of $200 if you take a selfie.
$200 for a photo? That is strict.
I know. I love taking selfies. Look at my Instagram. I have 500 photos of my face.
I know, David. I follow you. You take too many photos.
But it is my memory. How can I remember my trip without a selfie?
You can take a photo of the building or the view. You do not need your face in it.
But my face is the best part of the photo. This law is terrible for me.
I think it is good. People need to look at the world, not at their phones.
You're very serious today, Alex. You need more fun.
And you need to work. We have been here for 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Oh no. My client is waiting for my call at 9:30.
You better run. Do not take a selfie on the way to your desk.
Very funny. Enjoy your milk coffee, Alex.
Thanks, David. Good luck with your client. See you at lunch.
Yes, see you at lunch. Let's hope the cafeteria does not have an AI chef.
I hope not. I like the cook. He makes good sandwiches.
Okay, I am going. Have a productive day.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.